How to use Pancake Swap with Metamask. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can use Pancake Swap with your Metamask wallet. So let's get started. First, to get information about Pancake Swap, you can simply go to pancakeswap.finance and you will land on this platform right here. Pancake Swap is a decentralized platform where you can trade, earn and win crypto. You can add Pancake Swap to your crypto wallet and you can go ahead and create your own coins such as BNB and others. So today I will actually show you that how you can go ahead and add a Pancake Swap network right here on your MetaMask wallet. So let's start with the process. First thing what you need to do is simply open up your MetaMask wallet. If you do not have a MetaMask, you can simply go ahead and get one right now by metamask.io and you simply create an account on MetaMask. MetaMask is our crypto wallet where we can simply go ahead and add different funds. So what happens on MetaMask is that the default blockchain that we get is Ethereum. You can see right here. Now we want to add a Pancake Swap network as well. We want to add BNB to our MetaMask. So what you need to do is simply go to networks right here and you will be able to find all of the networks that you have created. To add a new network, you will simply click right here and now it will take you to MetaMask settings. And in here, I can go ahead and add a new network. Today, I am adding BNB. So, what we need is we need a network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. This is optional, so I will leave this option. Network name and all of this information such as RPC URL and chain ID. What you have to do is you will simply go to docs.pancakeswap.finance and you will land right here. In here, we get all the information that we need in order to connect our wallet, in order to connect our Pancake Swap to our MetaMask. And you can see right here, we have all of these information given. We have our RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol as well. So all I need to do is simply go ahead and fill this up in here. Again, you will simply go to docs.pancakeswap.finance. This is where you will get this information. So now let's go ahead and add a new network. So the network name is BNB. There you go. New RPC URL. So all I need to do is simply go ahead and copy this link from here. So all I need to do is simply copy this link from here and paste it here. Then the chain ID is 56 and currency symbol is BNB. So simply type in. You can see right here when we add information, now we have this save option. Simply click on save and a new network will be added. You can see right here, now I have BNB on my MetaMask. And this is how simply you add BNB, you add Pancake Swap to your MetaMask. Now I have this network available. You can see right here, we have BNB Smart Chain. Keep in mind that if you want to, go to your other networks, you can simply go ahead and switch between networks very easily on MetaMask. So for now, I'm going to keep it on BNB. Now, as simply we use our MetaMask, I can simply go ahead and, add deposit funds to my BNB network. I can send them and I can swap them as well. Let's go back to the website of pancakeswap.finance. Here, you will find the option of Connect Wallet. So on Pancake Swap, we have Trade option, we have Earn, Win, and NFT as well. So let's go ahead and connect our wallet. Click right here, and now we have all of the different wallet options. We have MetaMask, Binance Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. There are other options too. We are going with MetaMask. Simply click right here, and your extension will ask for your permission. Now, my Pancake Swap has been connected to my MetaMask. You can see right here, this is my wallet. Now let me show you around Pancake Swap and how we can, buy NFTs and how we can trade with our wallet that we have just connected. In trade, we have swap option, we have limit, liquidity, and perpetual. Then we have earn. In earn, we have farms and pools. In win, I can simply go ahead and go to trading competitions. We have predictions and lottery as well. Then we have NFT marketplace too. So let's say that I want to buy an NFT. So let's go to collections and check out different collections available on Pancake Swap. You can see that all of these different NFT collections are available, and these are going to be on Pancake Swap. Okay, so you can see this is the price for different NFTs, and all of the different NFTs are available. The artwork is also pretty good. Of course, this blockchain is actually not that famous as Ethereum or Solana NFT marketplaces, but it also has its own different collections, such as this one actually looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna open this one up. This one is known as the Bull Society, and you can see the collection of 7,777, and the item listed is 880, and the lowest BNB is 0.2. So when it comes to BNB, you can see right here that we will be able to buy NFTs with just 0.2 BNB or 0.3 BNB, and the price is also given in dollars. So 0.2 BNB is going to be $83. And if I take you to the live price of BNB, then you can see right here at the time of making this video, 1 BNB is 415 USD. So this is the live price for BNB today, and you can simply go ahead and check it out. And of course, it depends on that what is the price of BNB that day. So right now it is just $400, and you can simply go ahead and find these different NFTs for maybe 0.2 and 0.5, and when we look at the art, it's actually pretty impressive. So this is how you simply go ahead, and now all I need to do is simply buy different NFTs. I can trade with my wallet that I have connected, and my wallet has BNB. That's actually a good thing that we have actually converted our mainnet to BNB, because if you do not have BNB on your MetaMask, then you will not be able to buy NFTs to trade with Pancake Swap. So that was the first step. We did it, and it's super easy. And after that, it depends on you that what you want to do with your wallet. If you want to trade, if you want to earn and win, you can simply go ahead and check out the platform. But this is how you simply use your Pancake Swap with MetaMask. There are other wallets available too, but when it comes to MetaMask, it's super easy, and most of the people actually go with MetaMask when they create their first wallet, and that is why it's very important for you to know that how to use Pancake Swap with MetaMask. So once you have your wallet, then all you need to do is simply change your mainnet to BNB, and after that you can go to pancakeswap.finance, and then you can simply go ahead and earn and trade with Pancake Swap using your MetaMask. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part, and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Pancake Swap with MetaMask. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.